Hi guys, I wanted to give you a preview of my new pattern, Skinny Monkey. This pattern uses a 22 needles machine and an I-cord maker. I like to use my Addy egg, but you can use another I-cord maker or even a tube from the 22 needle machine. The pattern includes written instructions with photos, as well as a video tutorial. The video includes the assembly of the Skinny Monkey from start to finish. You can see that I made a rainbow of colors. I used Joann's Big Twist Value yarn for all of these. This is the tail option with the 22 needle tube. This option is included in the pattern as well. This is another option where I didn't use white for the crown, hands, and feet, but I did add a darker color for the snout and tail and the little hair on the top of his head. And this sample uses Hobby Lobby's I Love This Yarn in Marled Mocha. This is a great color for sock monkeys. This pattern is now live in my Etsy and Ravelry shops. If you have any questions, let me know. I'm happy to help any way I can. Thanks, guys.